Hi, I'm Donna Wolfe from Naztazia.com. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this seashell scarf. Please follow along with the written pattern on Naztazia.com. I'm using 2 balls of Lion Brand's Mandala yarn and a size F hook. By the way, be sure to click on the subscribe button to get notified of new videos from me each week. For row 1, we're going to first start with the chain 37. Next, single crochet in the 7th chain from the hook. Chain 4. Make 1 single crochet in the 4th chain over. Chain 4. Make 1 single crochet in the 4th chain over. Continue this across the row. Here is what this looks like. At the end of this row, you'll have 2 chains left over. Chain 2 and make 1 half double crochet in the last stitch. Chain 1 and turn your work. By the way, if you're on social media, you can also find me on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Now for row 2. Make 1 single crochet in that first stitch. In the next chain 4, make 7 double crochet stitches in there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. In the next loop, make 1 single crochet. In the next loop, make 7 double crochet stitches again. 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And in the next loop, a single crochet. Keep doing this across the row in the remaining loops. At the end, you can place your single crochet either in the loop, or I like to place it in the chain for a neater edge. Chain 4 and turn your work. If you recall, we did 7 double crochet stitches. For row 3, we're going to work with the 5 middle ones, skipping the first and last one. Double crochet here and chain 1. Double crochet in the next stitch and chain 1. Third double crochet, chain 1. Fourth double crochet, chain 1. And make your 5th double crochet, but don't chain 1. Here's what it looks like. Now, skip the first double crochet of the next shell. Make your first double crochet here, chain 1. Second double crochet, chain 1. Third, chain 1. Fourth, chain 1. And 5th. Continue with this pattern across the row. Remember, do not chain in between shells. At the end, make 1 treble crochet in the very last stitch. chain 4, and turn your work. For row 4, we're going to single crochet in every chain 1 space and only the chain 1 spaces. Chain 3. Single crochet in the chain 1 space. Chain 3. Single crochet in the chain 1 space. Chain 3. Single crochet in the chain 1 space. Chain 3. That's not a chain 1 space, so skip it. Single crochet in the next chain 1 space. Chain 3. Single crochet, chain 3, single crochet, chain 3, single crochet, chain 3, skip over, single crochet. Continue with this pattern across the row. At the end, chain 2 and make 1 half double crochet in the last stitch. Chain 4 and turn your work. For row 5, skip that first loop and single crochet in the next one. Chain 4. Skip the next loop and single crochet in the next one. Chain 4. Skip the next loop and single crochet in the next one. Chain 4. Skip, single crochet. Now check your work. The spaces should line up with that row. At the end, chain 2 and make 1 half double crochet in the last stitch. Chain 1 and turn your work. For row 6, we just repeat row 2. Make your single crochet in the first stitch. Then make 7 double crochet stitches in the next loop. 6 and 7. And in the next loop, single crochet. Going forward, just repeat the rows for a total of 181 rows. On that last row, I like to repeat row 5, but do chain 3s instead of chain 4s to make a straighter edge. And here's my finished seashell scarf. I hope this video has helped you. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like and comment on this video. Check out the video's description and the info button. Also, this video has both closed captions and auto-translated subtitles. And please visit Naztazia.com for more tips and tricks on creative, self-sufficient living.